Long ago, in the beautiful country of Italy, a famous artist named Leonardo da Vinci painted a portrait of a woman. The painting was called the Mona Lisa. At first, it was just another artwork, but over time, it became the most famous painting in the world. Millions of people visit the Louvre Museum in Paris every year just to see this small portrait. But why is the Mona Lisa so special? The answer lies in its many mysteries. The first mystery is the woman's smile. When people look at her face, they cannot decide if she is happy, sad, or hiding a secret. Sometimes her smile seems bright, and sometimes it almost disappears. This strange expression has fascinated people for hundreds of years. The second mystery is the identity of the woman. Many historians believe that she was Lisa Gherardini, the wife of a wealthy merchant. However, some people think she may have been a noblewoman, a secret lover, or even a self-portrait of Leonardo himself. No one knows the complete truth. Another mystery is the background of the painting. Behind the woman, there are winding roads, rivers, and distant mountains. The landscape looks dreamy and almost magical. Some experts believe that Leonardo created an imaginary world, while others think the places were real. The Mona Lisa also has an incredible history. In 1911, the painting suddenly disappeared from the Louvre Museum. People all over the world were shocked. Newspapers printed stories about the missing masterpiece every day. For 2 years, nobody knew where the painting was. Then, the truth was finally discovered. A man named Vincenzo Peruggia had stolen the Mona Lisa because he believed the painting belonged in Italy. He hid it in a wooden box and kept it in his apartment. When Peruggia tried to sell the painting to an art dealer in Italy, he was caught by the police. The Mona Lisa was returned safely to the Louvre, and its fame became even greater. Today, the painting is protected by special glass and strict security. Visitors stand in long lines to catch a glimpse of the mysterious woman with the unforgettable smile. Even after more than 500 years, the Mona Lisa continues to raise questions. Who was the woman? Why is her smile so mysterious? What secrets did Leonardo da Vinci hide in his masterpiece? Perhaps the greatest mystery of all is that no matter how much people study the painting, the Mona Lisa still keeps her secrets.